my favorite lyrics I've been a part of in the last few years is in this next song that says, you were writing the pages before I had a name, before I needed grace, singing songs of redemption. Every time I ran away, you were louder than my shame. I don't know about y'all, but I need to know that every day, that God just loves me for who I am, not for what I can do, not for the things I've done. He still takes me as I am every day. What I didn't say a while ago was in 2012 when I came home from that tour, I remember calling my wife and I said, hey, I'm done with this. I'm coming home, we're gonna find a church to go to. She thought I was crazy. And I was like, nope. I just had to come to Jesus meeting and I'm done with this stuff. I remember walking into my bedroom floor after I got home, June 10th, 2012. I cleared the shoes out of my bedroom floor and I fell on my hands, face first on my knees, and I said, God, I cannot do this anymore without you. And I remember just this breath that lifted off of me, just this weight that was like, man, just to know that I don't have to go back to that life anymore. I just said, God, I need you in my life. I'm ready to do whatever. And I remember feeling like God was in that room with me, just saying, Zach, I've been waiting on you your whole life to make that decision. And his hand stretched out this way for me. And if you want your rescue story tonight, I know I'm saying it, but if you want your rescue story tonight, it can happen right here. If you've already got a rescue story, let's make some noise on this next one, all right?